Clownfish! Clownfish wiggle to chat underwater. Shark! Sharks can smell a splash from far away. Pufferfish! Pufferfish puff into spiky balls. Great white shark! Great whites can rocket out of the water. Crab! Crab zooms sideways like little skittering cars. Penguin! Penguins slide on their bellies for fun. Squid! Squid blast water to zoom backward. Stingray! Stingrays glide like underwater birds. Horse! Horses can snooze while standing up. Duck! Ducks wear feather raincoats that never get soggy. Starfish! Starfish can grow new arms. Blue tangfish! Blue tangs shine brighter in sunlight. Pufferfish! Some pufferfish make fancy sand circles. Cheetah! Cheetahs run so fast they blur. Cow! Cows relax when they're with their best buddy. Turtle! Turtles take their homes everywhere. Hammerhead shark! Hammerheads see extra well with their wide heads. Whale! Whales sing songs that travel for miles. Walrus! Walruses use tusks to pull themselves onto ice. Frog! Frogs soak up water through their skin. Sawfish! Sawfish swipe their saw noses through sand. Frog! Some frogs jump like tiny spring toys. Panda! Pandas munch bamboo almost all day. Anglerfish! Anglerfish use a glowing lure to attract dinner. Sea lion! Sea lions bark to talk with friends. Crocodile! Crocodiles can hold their breath for ages.